Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on GoDaddy. First, you'll need to select a domain name that truly represents your brand or business. This is a crucial initial step, so take your time to choose wisely. Next, pick a GoDaddy website builder plan that perfectly aligns with your specific needs and budget. Once that's done, simply log into your GoDaddy account to kickstart the entire setup process. Now, let's dive into designing your site. GoDaddy offers many professional templates. Choose one that best suits your website's theme. Then, personalize it by customizing colors, fonts, and images to reflect your unique brand identity. Don't forget to add key pages, such as an About Us section and a contact page, to provide important information for your visitors. Next, it's time to populate your site with compelling content. Upload high-quality images and craft engaging text for all your pages. Consider integrating valuable features like an online store to sell products or an appointment booking system for services. Remember, it's vital to ensure your website is mobile responsive, so it looks great and functions well on all devices. Finally, before going live, thoroughly review all your pages to catch any errors. Once you're satisfied, publish your website for the world to see. To help people find you, optimize your site for search engines by using relevant keywords. Don't forget to share your new website link across your social media platforms to attract your first visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.